Welcome all to the episode number 44 of Samaroh Boutique. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today is not for sarees. I have few dress materials of cotton with hand paint and a wraparound for display today. Very colorful kantha stitch, beautifully done, and these are all wraparound, so which are very comfortable and decent to wear. You may combine any long or short tops with it. No more talk, let me start the virtual display. At first I am showing what I am wearing today. I myself also wearing this thing, the wrap around, and a small top, not very long, medium sized. So this is a concept. I am showing how I have wear it, how it is. This is the thing, the bicolor. I am wearing it. You put it here, the first, and it will come like this. It will wrap beautifully and tie it here. And over this you wear till this knee length also you can wear the top, and the length what I have wear you can wear that one also. So, and these all are hand worked, everything is hand worked, and with a border 1950. It is wraparound number 1. All are same type, but I am showing you each one, opening it, so that best idea you can get like this. I think you can understand that everything is thread work. Again it is black and red. Here black is on black, the maximum work, like this. You have to tie it here. Now it is black and white bicolor. Yeah. Very good length we are getting. Price all are same. Fewer more that I will mention. These are all are same priced. Red and white, like this. Any contrast color, you may wear black, you may wear white. You have the liberty to mix and match as you like. Yeah, like this. All are 1950. Black and white again. Wear any color with it. Plain tops will look better. Don't I will not like much print one for this. Again red and black. panel type. This is so comfortable, easy to wear and maintain, carry. It is also panel type, but all are in yellow, not any contrast color has been used, single color. Like this. $1950. Each piece is different. Wow, very nice. You can see that the length and breadth, width is very good. So it is wrapping fully, so no discomfort to wear. It is on navy blue. Yeah, it is so nice, so intricately worked. Yeah. It looks like painting. So nice it is. It is 2250. Multicolored on same navy blue. It is black and white, sorry, red and black. Rust and black, so nice, so colorful. So many colors has been used. You can wear the top of any color. So beautifully done it is. It is different. Mostly wear worldly, and this it is the ornamental type. 2250. This design I have shown before, one on black and red, and here it is multicolored on black. 2250. It is Shakuntala, this one. Just see the, it is the work is better than the sari. It is 2550. Eighteen pieces I have shown you. Now it is turn of the dress materials, the cotton dress materials. I have not shown you before. Fully purely cotton only. The kurta is of South cotton. Oh my god. Yeah, like this. These dupattas, this one-sided thing, if you wrap like this, it will look nice, and with that colorful latkans, it is looking more gorgeous. The price is 1950. Concept is same. The South cotton contrast weaved design. This kurtas and dupattas are for single, means a one-sided thing, means it is not 2.5 meter, and this and edged with the kurta fabric. These are the, I am showing you here, it is a kurta and it is edged with that fabric. This is a kurta. The dupatta and the bottom. Same priced 1950. Nice colors, all are pastel colors. And this is a very colorful, very decent. This is the kurta, so nice color. Like this. Price is same, 1950. Firoza color, the blue is a kurta. Sorry. And this is a dupatta and bottom. All are cotton, pure cotton. Each color is so nice and his dupatta is so pretty. So anyone you can choose. Yes. And this is the very nice color. Similar kind, similar design, and price is also similar. The yellow is so nice, beautiful yellow. Here it is, the dupatta is with red checked, zari checked, and concept is same, edged with the kurta material and the hand painted. Same priced 1950. Another piece with this red dupatta. Color is different of the kurta, so look is different. Yeah. I have two pieces with this weaved thing. The kurta and dupatta both are Bengal handloom. These are both are with some material. You just see the breadth of the thing. This is for the neck, and the whole body has that buttas, and the dupatta is very beautiful. Just show the dupatta, please. Yeah, this is the dupatta. It is, the price is, where is the tag? 2550. Another piece with the same kind, color is different, maroon it is. Yeah. $2550. The last one with chanderi dupatta, South cotton kurta. Chanderi, it is not silk, chanderi, and over that the hand paint and mirror work has been done. This one, and this is the bottom. The price, where is it? 2550. Display part is over. Hope you have liked the products. All are unique piece, not recreatable. So don't delay to notify me regarding your selected piece. Namaskar.